with AI accelerating SaaS adoption, how will this change shadow IT in the landscape? What do you see in the future here? It's going to get easier to manage. It's going to get terrible. What's going to happen to this?
Terrible. I mean, I don't want I don't want to look at it like anything terrible is going to happen. Certainly, look, there certainly is a lot of risk. And it is the new shadow IT. AI is in essence what shadow IT is today. And so it's a new surface. It's a new thing that we have to get our arms and our heads wrapped around. I can remember, I don't want to make light of it, but back in the early 90s, we had this thing called the internet come out, and there was a little thing with it called email. And I used to struggle to get people to use it in business because it was going to destroy the world, right? It was bad. It was evil. It was a temporary thing. It was a phase. I got a fax machine, don't need it. Now, we all thought that was going to be a bad thing. Not we all, but a lot of folks did. And certainly the potential is all there. We know email can be a dangerous thing, right? Like if you use it in the wrong way, if somebody gets a hold of it and sends out on your behalf, all those things can be used against you. But as an industry, as in business in general, we've come to find ways to work around it. So I think, the biggest thing I want folks to understand is this is going to require a couple of things. A culture shift, but more importantly, and this is different than the old days, transparency and openness to everybody in the organization with why and what is allowed. And then make certain all the governance things Jackson talked about and you talked about are important. None of those are unimportant, but make certain you have a well-defined and clearly understood approval process for the use of AI tools in the organization. Make it easy for somebody to ask. And it doesn't have to be, you made a comment earlier, Dan, and you're right, the IT department needs to know about that if it's another department that's in charge of that line of business act. But the security team is who should be sitting down and having that meeting when that department decides that they want to vet that app. That's where it starts. That security team may be partially IT, maybe all IT, but somebody needs to know in the organization every time there's a new thing being added, like you said.